Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. I hope everyone's doing good today so far. It is Friday, end of the week, another trading day. I'm excited to be here. Let's make some money today. Let's go into the weekend in the green and let's just enjoy what trading has to offer us today. I've been thrilled, excited to get back on the charts today. Man, I'm excited. I'm excited. Good morning, G. For everyone on the YouTube stream, the voices you're going to be hearing throughout the stream, those are the members of the Legacy Wealth Society. Yes, I'm going to be talking to them, but feel free to put your questions in the chat on YouTube. I'll get to them when I see them. Other than that, stay safe in the markets, and I hope you enjoy this session. Well, community, G, I know you're excited. Whenever you get on the streams, I love your energy. I love your energy. So we'll definitely take that. Let's see what we got going on here. G, is the audio sounding good for you?
Yes, sir. Good.
Awesome. Let me just push this. Alrighty, so looks like we're still below that VWAP. We sold off throughout the night last night.
What was the market high? 7 at market close yesterday?
Market closed yesterday was at 762. 762 for the market close from yesterday.
Down 100 points right now. Right now, as in the pre-market. Market open.
Just looking. Alrighty, let's get on these charts here. For everyone on YouTube, so you can see the charts. I am currently looking at my 2 minutes, so not the screen you could look at, but I'm excited. This month has probably been one of the best months for me for my payouts yet. It's crazy, a full year, and then I'm getting my best payouts. So my goal now for the month of September, since I've already taken all the payouts that I'm gonna take for the month of August, for the month of September, my goal is crazy. But I gotta push myself. I gotta push myself to be better. So I'm gonna trade my funded accounts today. I picked up some evals from Apex, funding ticks, and Tradeify. So I'm gonna work on getting those passed potentially today after I'm done trading my funded accounts. And we're just gonna keep it moving. I'm trying to have the biggest payout for the month of September. And when I get the biggest payout that I've ever gotten ever in the month of September, in October, I have to go to Mexico for my sister's wedding. But before I go there, I think I'm gonna go to Colombia for like 2 weeks, stay in like a big villa in the mountains, traded. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see if we get it. Good morning, Matt. Good morning.
Morning. Who jumped in? Oh, Matt.
Matt, yep.
Good morning. What's up, bud?
Another day in paradise, man. Another day in paradise.
Nice. Finally able to make it in. Try to learn from you, sir.
Glad you're joining us today. Good morning, Steve. Good morning. I'm in a fantastic mood today. When I'm in this type of mood, just be ready. We're going to make tons of money today, and we're just going to keep it moving. We're just going to keep it moving.
We're going to keep it moving, and then G Money is going to sing us a song. Well, I did finish yesterday, green again. And,
awesome.
So on all 4 accounts. So
awesome. Good job.
That is my goal, just so you know, is just to finish green on all 4 accounts.
Mm-hmm.
That's like just starting out lifting weights. I might be holding the baby weights right now, but I'm just at consistency because my numbers in the open journal shot up tremendously, and it says I'm like profitable by the ratios and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So that's where I'm looking.
Awesome. Good jobs. Stick to the system. It's going to pay off. Good morning, Mr. Moose. Good morning, sir. Welcome back. Another day in paradise. We're going to make some more money today. Good morning to the YouTube stream as well. Good morning, everyone. Just good morning. I'm just excited. I woke up this morning and handled my payroll for my security company, and I was just ready to get on the charts. Just ready. I was itching. Just so everyone knows, we are below the VWAP, below the close from yesterday. We have a pivot point up at, let's check this level, 684 for that pivot point. We're hanging out around the 21 EMA currently. Let's see if we push off. We still got 4 minutes till market open here. So we're looking, I feel like we got to go up, touch that VWAP to decide if we're going to start shooting back up or if we're going to keep pushing down. So,
and then Monday, obviously, we're not trading.
Monday, we are not trading, but we'll be back fresh for Tuesday. I wish we could trade on Monday. I'm trying to get working on getting another payout for next Friday.
Yeah.
So with Monday not being a trading day, that's one less day we have next week to count for our trading days. So, well, we're still going to be good. I already told you I'm working on I'm trying to get the biggest payout of my trading career.
Labor Day, right?
Yeah, Monday's Labor Day. Trying to get the biggest payout I've had ever for the month of September. So that's my goal. This month, just a little bit above $7,000 in payouts this month from trading. No complaints there. But normally most people just want to double what their production. That's not us. We know that's not us. So for next month, I'm going for a crazy number. So we're gonna have fun. We're gonna have fun for the month of September. Let me double check news if we got any news coming out today. Let's see what we got. Nope, no news today. We do have news on the 2nd of September. We have news the 2nd, the 3rd, the 4th, the 5th. So we're going to have a lot of news next week. So we'll be ready for that. 2 more minutes, less than 2 minutes now for market open here. What do you guys feel? What do you guys think? Are we going up or down? That's the question. Up or down?
I think we're going up.
You think we're going up? Okay.
I think it's gonna go up.
We're gonna touch the VWAP.
Where's the VWAP at? The 684?
No, VWAP's at 679 currently.
679.
684 is the pivot point.
Pivot point, right?
Yeah, there's a lot of draw going up, and we're going up.
So the VWAP is at the 660, right?
My VWAP is at 679. 679.
Okay.
We'll see. The whole overnight session was coming down, so we'll see what type of action we get. We're going to try waiting that 15 minutes, but keywords try. If there's a move happening and it's a safe move, we'll take it.
The safety dance. All right.
All right, market's getting ready to open here in less than 30 seconds. Got that big candle right now so far. We're dialed in. We're ready to go. Market is officially open. Let's see what action we get here.
That's some action right there.
I hope it's not going to be like the other day where the market didn't do anything right when it opened.
Yeah, well, that was like, those are the funniest days because you're sitting there. It's like wah wah wah. It's like we're like, it's trading with Duane because we don't like any momentum here. No, I'm just kidding.
Well, we got that selling pressure right there, but this is literally the first candle of the open, so
Yeah, and there's a little volatility for sure.
Damn.
It's like meters on like a digital stereo.
like this type open doesn't make me get excited to jump in. There's no real move yet, so just
Yeah, and it's just like if
patiently
there's
waiting.
any latency, you'll get wiped out.
Yep.
Too much.
The Bears are trying to want to push this price down.
But we're good whatever. Like you said, I would say it's going on. I don't care. Let's go down.
255.
Congratulations, sir. Once you keep checking your account balance on that account, so once you hit that three grand, stop trading.
I'm 500 out. I'm like 550 away.
Yep. But once you hit the 3,000, just don't trade anymore.
Don't trade no more, boy. Do not.
So that way tonight after 5:30ish, you'll get the email saying you passed it, and then you can activate it to be a funded account. So come Tuesday, you could trade in with your funded account.
Hey, remember yesterday I said it was gonna go up to 760, 761?
Yeah.
It went up. Okay, get out of here. Sorry, my cat.
I'm like, man, we just started the stream. I'm not trying to leave yet.
Get out of here. I said
It touched.
Get out of here.
Thank God I got out because it touched right,
Mm-hmm.
and it came right back down to original entry point for me. I'm like, all right, let me get out of here.
Thank God I kept telling you, just get out. Lock your money in.
I think it was like 12 o'clock that it touched or something yesterday, right?
Okay.
And by 11 o'clock, I was already done. I was already out on the road anyway. But I was like, oh, I knew he was going to come up here. Like, yesterday was a good flow. Yesterday was really good.
Yeah. Today's going to be even better.
Absolutely.
All right. No, Trump is not speaking today. Just check that for us.
I just made 1,000 on my sim account.
Nice.
Just now?
Yep.
Nice.
Boy. Come on. Go right back down.
Are you in another trade, sir?
Nope.
Order filled.
Or we're consolidating right here.
Yep.
It's only been 3 minutes, so don't feel rushed to jump into the market just yet. Well, for me,
right now.
for
Consolidating. It's
well,
consolidating right now.
Okay, so you guys are just checking up on stuff you've already done, or you're just looking at like what do you mean? I'm a baby bird.
yep. So right here, if you're looking at my screen, Matt, whenever you see a tight formation like this with these bars, these are the Renko bars. That's consolidation. That means a move's getting ready to happen because there's no clear direction for where the market wants to go yet.
Okay.
So when we see
The green.
no, just the up and down real tight like this is consolidation.
Gotcha.
So this isn't a move. We're not going to trade this right here.
Okay.
Everyone else taking trades, and I'm still waiting. Man,
I'm waiting too.
I feel left out right now, guys.
I mean, I'm on the sim account though. I'm on the sim, so
But still, you gotta click a button. I haven't yet. That's crazy.
You gotta click the button. You will, Duane.
Oh, trust me, we clicking today. We clicking. Once I click on all my funded accounts today, I'm gonna switch over to some evals I got yesterday because I'm gonna be copy trading for the month of September.
Oh yeah. What do you mean about copy trading?
On certain accounts. So on some of my Apex accounts, I'm gonna copy trade them with like 5 other accounts.
Oh, got you.
I'm going for the biggest payout yet of my trading career for the month of September.
I hope you get it, man. I hope you get it.
Oh, we gonna get it. We gonna get it.
Yes. So we start trending down. Where do you think the target is, Dwayne?
We gotta see where this 15-minute range ends. The low from yesterday is down at the 612 level. So the low for not for yesterday, for the overnight sessions at 612 for the overnight.
Keep going down, down, down. Oh, here comes that rise. Ooh.
Yep. Well, we got those wicks on the bottom of those candles,
So
letting us know that the buyers want to push up, but the bears are trying to hold it. That's why I haven't clicked nothing yet.
Let's get a flag in here.
A flag would be extremely nice.
That's what I'm talking about.
On the 2 minute?
On any minute right now. Just a flag.
That's in your mind at this point.
Hey, I see a bear flag by the. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'll take that. That's 800 right there. Wow. That's
465 right there on this funded account. Going to rotate to the next one.
There we go, Duane. There we go.
I had to click. You made me click, G. You made me click. How dare you?
He said, all right.
Let's rotate to the next one. Alrighty. Now on that account, I just did that 465. I need $1,000 more in that account by next Friday to request a 2K payout from that one specific account. So we'll take it. Next week, I'm shooting for at least $6,000 for a payout on Friday. And Matt, just so you know, when you hear me say, let me rotate my accounts, I'm trading now because of all the accounts I have. I'm trading over 10 accounts. So when I rotate my accounts, I only take 1 or 2 trades per account, and then I switch to a new account. So I'm never putting at risk one account when trading. So just
go back to it.
The next day.
It? So you're done for the day after that.
I'm done for the day on that account for the day.
So
just
how
put.
long did it take you to do what you got to do for your trades and stuff?
That trade right there was less than 8 minutes.
This is crazy, bro.
For 465 on that account.
Oh wow.
People not even seeing that in a day.
Yeah, I'm about to go bust my ass and not even make nothing like that.
This is an eye opener right here, man.
I'm trying to be like y'all when I grow up.
Well, you're part of the community, Matt. So
I just need
look at that dump right there. Be careful. Be careful. We just went right through the low for the overnight session. Let's see, we bounce up here a little bit.
Well, last time we bounced, but that time I got 225. Just to I hit it right there.
But we got that 600 level, the 600 level from yesterday.
Yeah, well,
that's.
Can we get some consolidation, Duane? Not to interrupt. Can we get some consolidation?
That would be good. I just don't like the 600 level because yesterday we were chopping in this area.
We were up and down on it yesterday.
Yep.
Is there a way that I can get it just to stay on your screen, Duane?
Yeah, give me 1 second because I know everyone's talking. We got
Yeah.
talkers in the group.
No, that's fine. I love it, but I want to be able to watch and see what you're doing. You know.
There you go. I just pinned my
Perfect.
screen,
My man, thank you.
so it's not going to switch when everyone else is talking.
Thank you.
You can do that for me too.
If you look at the screen, it should just be showing mine.
Yeah, I'll probably swipe. Oh no, it's showing the talking again. I see K now.
I pinned my screen.
Somebody else talk.
Let's see.
I mean, it's staying there now. So.
What I do is I go to participants and then I swipe to hit Dwayne and the legacy, and then it's like I manually set it that way on mine and it works. Otherwise I'm looking at a picture of G smiling.
Spotlight. Let's.
So how do I do that though? Like,
It's on the bottom menu. There's participants.
so I hit participants and then I see the list of people.
Well, it's like you see, if you see the windows there, you just swipe until you see what you like. That's what I do on mine anyway.
But there's no way to like get it big. So let me see.
I just double tap it.
You can hold your finger down and say pin, and it pins it. Perfect. All right, thank you guys.
Woo! Make that way up.
That's why I was not jumping in right there around that 600 level.
Right.
Well, this is gonna be our flag, baby.
Yes, it is. The bear is printing. It's printing.
Let's see. Let me draw it.
Doodle that sucker.
Oh, I'm doodling.
He said, "Well, I'm doodling."
Now I have a question. When you guys say you're trying to cash out, like that's actual cash you guys are making, like money in your account?
So with all the accounts, so even with you, Matt, when you first start, you're going to get an evaluation account. That would be like the $48. So you get the live market data feed, everything like that.
Okay.
So you have to pass the evaluation account in order to get a funded account. So some of them have already had funded accounts and they messed up slightly, which happens. We all mess up. Even myself to this day, I still mess up.
Nobody talks bad about Dwayne without getting my rap. Do you understand me?
So my accounts, all the accounts I trade at first are all my funded accounts. So those are accounts that I'm taking payouts each month from.
Yep.
Those are important ones.
Yep.
I trade my important ones first, and then after I'll trade some of the evaluations to get them passed because I'm trying to build up all my funded accounts. So I have over 10 to 15 funded accounts I'm taking payouts each month from.
So, can I ask you guys a question besides Dwayne? How long did it take this stuff to click in your guys' head where you felt comfortable and, like...
It's very individual, man. You know what I mean? It's kind of like, the way I described it to my son yesterday was, like, people can read music on a chart maybe, or even, like, have ear. But you gotta you're like playing in a band against the computer, so you have to be able to hit that sweet spot. You know what I mean? If you're thinking I need to play, so that's how I see it. Like in creative side, it's like I as a nonlinear editor, I used to work at television, and if I'm thinking about making a cut on a live broadcast, I'm gonna miss the cut. So it's almost like for me, it's like I own it, I live it. And it's like if I'm thinking about it, then I'm out of it because it moves so fast. If that makes sense.
So you gotta just trust your gut and hop on it.
Well, I mean, you take the training, so it's like so you're not just going the way.
Of course.
And then you put that in you, and that's how I do it. It's almost like because I used to play in a band too, so it's like you want it to like groove. So it's just like you're watching that, and then you just hit.
Okay.
So that's my thing.
Thank you for that.
But it's all based on it's all based on the system because we've all done it where we kind of went outside of Dwayne's the legacy kind of plan
not me.
And well no it's human nature. You're gonna try stuff and that's part of learning, but you'll see it'll chop you fast.
Listen, y'all tell me not to, I ain't doing it.
All right, another 455 right there on that trade.
That was cool. That was 180 for me.
So up for the day, just under $900 so far. It's only 945.
Now, are you guys all on the same like trade? Or you guys all have like your different own trades, like you guys are?
Everyone's taking their own trades themselves. I'm not trading for anyone.
Well, yeah, but I'm saying like you guys are all like, are you trading the same like?
We're all looking for the same thing. Put it that way.
We're all on the same chart, but that's what you're asking.
We're all on the. I think he's asking for the pair. We're all on the same pair.
Yeah, we're all trading the Nasdaq.
That okay.
I should have held that last trade a little bit longer. I would have been over like $1,200, $1,500 on that one.
Right.
There's a pivot point coming.
Yep, we got that pivot point. Good call out, Steve.
I feel
Whoa,
like,
look at that.
Ooh.
Look at that.
Quick.
Yeah.
What was that?
Like it tells you.
I'm $38 over my eval. I'm ready.
Let's go, Moose. Let's go, boy.
I made 1,000 right now.
All right, well, get off that account. Make sure you check your account balance showing that you're over the $3,000.
Yeah, it's all done.
All right, then don't trade that account no more.
No, hell no. You crazy?
Good job, man. About time you listen to me, Moose. About time. Man. Yeah, but you finally listened. That's why I'll give you a hug tomorrow when I see you, because I'm proud of you, sir.
Just don't be late.
You're the boy. Don't get me started. Don't get me started, Moose.
Remember, everything in life is perspective.
I like that.
Question was, how am I late when you come to my house to cut my hair?
Hey,
Oh,
listen,
snap.
I'm in my car already. So as long as I consider, I'm already at work by the time I leave my house.
That's travel time, exactly.
Hey, Moose says the car's in his garage, so he's always on time. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
All right, so we're below the 15-minute range right now.
Man, I'm kind of mad. I can't even jump in no more.
Target's 514, fellows and lady. 514. That's our first target. As long as we stay below this pivot point.
All right, now I can go to work.
Well, you already made money, so now when you go cut those people, you're gonna be happy because now you're like, oh man, just made $1,000. You know.
I'm gonna be like, do I really have to cut the hair? Let me just mess them up.
Oh my god.
Well, luckily you can't mess mine up too bad because you literally just give me a baldy, so we're good.
You're right.
Let's see if we get another bear flag.
That's what I'm looking for.
I don't know. Let's see what I spot right now on this 5 minutes.
No flag yet on the 5 minute. No flag yet on the 2 minute either.
Okay. It's pretty much like idle position. It's pretty much counter position.
I'm looking at all the charts, waiting for the next opportunity here. Trying to go into the weekend green. You know what I'm saying? We got selling pressure trying to step in here. We have a minute and some change left on the 2 minute candle. Same on the 5. So let's see how the next candle plays out. Trying to not jump in prematurely here.
On a sell, right?
Yep. Oh man, 40 more seconds. I want the bulls to hold this price up just slightly. Just slightly, so I could jump in on the next candle. I just don't want to jump in with 30 seconds left.
Yeah. I've been hit before when I've done that, and then the next candle just takes off in the other direction.
Yep. Oh man, the longest 20 seconds of our life right now.
I thought you said that was when you were doing cardio.
Depends.
That's when you're doing a plank.
All right, let's see what type of candle we get on this one. Are the bulls going to hold the price up? If not, that 514 is going to come quick. $395 on that trade. Up over $1,000 already for the day. It's not even 10 o'clock yet. I'm just rotating. Let me rotate once again.
I think it'll come down to
514. We're going on 514.
Yes, yes.
I'm glad you agree with me, Moose. I appreciate that.
Not a problem.
Makes me feel special, sir.
You are. I don't take it away from you.
Let's see if we get another bear flag. That's a big candle right there. $15 more seconds on this candle. I want to see the bears hold this price below this 15-minute range. And it is official on my Tradeify account. Let me make sure it's on my journal updated on this one account. Let's see. It hasn't updated yet. Once it does, I'm gonna have to throw it on the screen real quick. Still not updated yet, but once it does, I gotta show it.
That was quick. That bear is forming.
It's giving us that structure right there. I'm just waiting.
Mm-hmm.
We're tapping the bottom of that 15-minute range. We had that pivot point as well. Not taking any trades in this area because we got the bottom of that 15-minute and the pivot point. Lots of stuff going on there. So it's either we got to push up hard or we're going to keep coming down. So just waiting. I want this update. Hurry up.
This 1 hour candle is gonna close like in 5 minutes.
I want to see what we actually get on the 5-minute chart. Well, I'm looking for a bear flag. We're below that VWAP.
I'm hoping the next hour candle opens up bullish, because if it opens bullish, it's gonna create a wick and then drop more. And that should that thing should drop a good significant amount.
This isn't updating, so I want to come back to it. Let me focus on these charts. You know, looking at this 5 minute, as long as we don't have any rippers to the upside, looks like we're building out a bear flag right there on that 5 minute chart.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and that's presenting itself pretty like nice for a 5 minute.
Mm-hmm.
Sellers trying to step in right here.
Hey, dude, just letting you know, I'll be hopping out in like 5 minutes. I have a client at 10, but
No worries, man.
What time does this live end? You said 11, right?
11, 11:30, depending upon the day.
It usually ends at whenever. That means whenever Duane decides.
All right, so yeah, I'll definitely be here on Monday.
Bear flag playing out right there
Tuesday,
on that 5 minute.
Tuesday.
Monday,
Yep, Tuesday.
Yep. I have a friendly reminder. I'll say you guys stay safe. Have a great weekend and enjoy.
All right, man. You too.
Yeah, you too.
Market's starting to move. Be careful. Look at the Renko bars. We're consolidating again.
And last question, my bad, D. So it's better to like ask. When is like better to start asking you questions when you have like more time, like more after like 10:30?
I'm answering questions the entire stream.
Okay, so I don't want to like interrupt you guys. So I'll definitely have more questions Tuesday for sure.
No, it's not like this is a group, so we work together. So we'll answer your questions when you ask them.
Perfect. All right, then. So I'm excited. Thank you guys again.
All right, man. See you
listening
Tuesday.
In the background with my headphones, but I just won't be talking.
Okay. So we did hit that 514 level. Yesterday's lows at 487. 487 for yesterday's close. Yesterday's low. Well, no, that can't be right. Hold on. Nope, no, that's right. Well, man, we were all the way down here yesterday. All right, next target after the low from yesterday. We got to push down more for the target print on my screen here. I'll call it out once it prints. Oh, that's nothing. Okay. We could do that. Sellers trying to step in right now. Just waiting to see what we get. If they have the follow through or not. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Scary, scary, scary. Thank God none of us were in. Don't like movement like that. I'll tell you that right now.
No.
Be careful. Be careful. Buyers definitely stepped in right there. They're trying to hold this price up. Let's see. We got that pivot point up there at 565. Let's see if the Bears keep pushing it. Bulls keep pushing it up here. We may end up building out a bull flag on this 1 minute. Want to see what we get on the higher time frame. So. Man, that's crazy. Look at these wicks on this 5-minute candle. I'm looking at my 2 minutes, just crazy.
Oh yeah, the 5 minute and the 2 minutes, it's like crazy.
Anybody have any big plans for the weekend?
Well, my wife, she got promoted, so we're gonna kind of celebrate that.
Nice.
And yeah, so we're looking forward to that, and then just chilling.
Okay.
But we're gonna go camping, as you know, on over the weekend, and then work one day, and then do just some other stuff. Just enjoy each other, cook out.
Awesome. Well, have fun with that.
Oh, we will, man. It's gonna be awesome.
No big plans for me this weekend. We'll see. The weekend's just beginning, so who knows what can happen. $680 right there on that trade.
Where are we going after? We're gonna hit that whole number, huh?
We're definitely going to hit the whole number. I'm targeting the 487 level. That's the low from yesterday. And then once we get below that low from yesterday, 462 is the next target.
Cool. Thank you, brother.
No, of course.
No, you know what? I'm gonna go here because I haven't said in a little while. But I just, I speak, I think, for everybody, just how appreciative I am. For you to, not only come up with a system, but share it freely, be articulate, and then, and just to be the person I always knew you to be. It's cool, man. It's great to be here. Thank you.
No, I'm glad you're enjoying it. I'm glad it's helping you. That's all this is. At the end of the day, I just want to see all of us win.
You're like, oh God, here comes Steve again. I saw that face. You can't cut.
There was no phase. All right, we hit the low from yesterday. Let's push through it. Want to see if we get another flag or something like that. That'd be nice.
Yeah. So, Duane, when is the last time that you really saw this iconic, A plus 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 like Photoshop version of a flag. You know what I mean? Because it's like
Uh,
these ones have kind of they've been there and we're reading them, but you know, like that one you put on a T-shirt.
it honestly varies. Let me close that. That's 255 on 3 accounts right there. It's been like we've had some really good like flags today. Look at that 5 minute.
Oh yeah,
We
yeah,
had
I'm seeing that, but I'm just saying, you know, like the one where it just like it's just like a rose, man.
it varies. I feel like the week when we were dropping from all-time highs, I think that's some of the best movement we've had.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let me check something. So one got, I don't know how one got 429, everything else. Wow. Oh, that's why. 1, 2. Not bad. With my Apex accounts, not too shabby, just on the Apex. I'll take that. Look at this market just moving, gentlemen. Come on, mouse. There you go. All right. Let's see what my total is for the day. Alrighty, $2,900 for the day. It's only been 30 minutes and some change. We'll take that. Looks like we're getting another bear flag right here once again. Let's see if we get the follow through on it. Bulls are trying to step in. They are trying to step in right now.
So we break through 442. Where are we going next, baby?
Once we break through 442, 411 would be the next target. Let me close that. This is not a funded account, so I'm not concerned. Jumped in on that one slightly early. Going to wait. Want the next candle to take us downtown, because I want that 411.
Like like G was saying yesterday, that if it waterfalls, he's gonna sing the waterfall song. So that's what we're all waiting for.
And if I would have stayed in, look at that. That's crazy. Well, it just blew that eval that quick. That's not good.
Same here.
What is your gut on this one, baby?
I want the Bears to have some good follow through.
Yeah, it just seems like it's like like move a little and then it chops. Move a little, it chops.
Let's see if we get another flag. The Bulls are trying to push. We got this wick on the 2-minute candle. So the Bulls want to try holding this price up. I don't know how I didn't get filled where I wanted to, but okay. Do.
Here we go. This is the sign that it's about to move.
Not getting the movement I want right now. I'm fighting it. So let me stop fighting it.
I feel like today the market is just fighting me. It's like it's just kind of like I'm reading it and it's like spasmodic. No, you know what I mean? Because it's like you know they're still fighting. It's like you know you'll go down, but it's not getting that like real. Yeah, you can scalp, but I'm not feeling the.
Yeah. Let me see. We'll do.
Yeah. I just made 3 grand on my sim account.
That's good. Just wait till that's in your funded account.
I gotta get another Eva. I had this blue one the same time you did. I had this blue. I was like, oh, you said there goes that Eva. I was like, I think I was on mute. I thought,
No, I heard you. I heard you. I just didn't say nothing about it.
Oh man, all I could do is laugh.
Looking at this 2 minute, I want to see if we get a nice little bear flag. Because if as we're coming down, that 411's the next target.
Doodle's doodling, dude, baby.
I'm trying to doodle.
Doodle faster. No, I'm just kidding.
Those wicks on the 5 minute aren't looking all that great for the bears. Those buyers stepped in hard on both candles. Yeah, just blew that one too. I'm done trading these Apex accounts.
Then I'm done trading these Apex.
Well, for me, it's like it's not free, but it's free because I picked up quite a bit of them yesterday, only because they had a really good sale going on. But I don't care about evals. That's like, whatever. Funded accounts, that's when you feel it. You know what I'm saying? Like, oof.
Was that a funded account?
No.
Woo.
Those were just evals.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm up in all my funded accounts.
Guys, have a good day.
You too, Moose.
Talk to you later. Bye.
All right, Moose.
Wayne, see you tomorrow.
Yes, sir. See you in the morning.
Looking at that 5 minutes.
Let's see. Actually,
I got my doodle and it's staying right in between the doodles, so I'm not touching anything.
Yep.
So when it, okay, gotcha.
You know what I mean? Because it's like, yeah, I'll see like a small run, but it's just like it's not getting that follow through.
There we go. That's awesome. Markets aren't to push up here. I want to add more to this account right now, this funded account. but I just can't. I want to pull the trigger, but I can't because I do base hits each and every day. That's what keeps me profitable.
But those Apex accounts, they have the harsher rules. Like you got to trade 5 days in a row or something like that. You were saying?
No, so you have to trade 8 days with them, but in order to get your payouts, that's the trick with them. Like they have more rules to get your payout.
Okay, so yeah, it'll tie your money up. Or yeah,
Exactly.
that's like you like you're very like knowledgeable about this, and I respect that. And you're anointed.
I appreciate that, Steve.
100, 100.
Well, now that this is fixed, I officially did it.
Well, let's see your screen. I like looking at you, but where's your screen?
Yeah, I was just pulling it up so I could show you. You know, so for the month of August, over 7 grand for the P&L, 89% win rate, one red day for the month on this account. Yeah, that's awesome. I had 3 losers, 25 winners for the month. And what I really like is right here, this profit factor. When you hover over total profits divided by total losses, a profit factor above 1.0 indicates a profitable trading system. We're at 4.8.
On the bottom of that screen, there's like a weird triangle thing, and it's like it won't tell you what it is. Like, what is that? Because you hover over it, and it's like there, and it's just like.
Yeah, I've never really looked at the Sage score, to be honest with you.
Yeah, because you try to hover over the question or the.
It doesn't give you anything. Yeah.
Yeah, I was just curious if you knew. No big thing.
Oh, what?
I can look at stats all day long, but I just want to have cash money in my pocket.
No, 100%. I'm right there with you. But figure I show that. Figure I show that to you.
No, that's awesome. And that's definitely something that just is inspirational. You know,
numbers don't lie. At the end of the day.
Okay, what do we have here?
I just got to work, gentlemen, so I'm going to log off.
Have a good one.
Good, have a great one.
Make a lot of money, y'all.
Yeah, and then we'll catch you on Tuesday.
Oh yeah, Monday's a holiday.
Yeah.
Thank you for that.
Well, you'll be like they'll be like they ditched us. No, so Tuesday.
Literally. Have a good day, you guys. Thank you.
You too. Mm-hmm.
Bye.
Bye.
Market look like it's going up right now.
It looks like we're getting a bull flag right here. Potentially.
I'm looking at that 5 minute, and that's like something exciting. Yeah, are you feeling there might be a waterfall?
This is looking to me like a bull flag right here. But want to see some more structure to it. I'm probably done taking trades for the day since I am up on my funded accounts. No reason to risk anything at this point.
I'm up 6. I'm up like 6 something today. So.
That's great.
Yeah, I'll take that. But you know what I've been noticing though?
Talk to me.
Now, I've been almost. What time does the market close? At 4, right? For Nasdaq, right?
Yeah.
Each time it hits 4 o'clock, it dips every time. I looked at every time.
Okay.
So
I've never looked at the market that late because I only trade the morning session, so.
Oh my goodness. I'm like, yo, I've been seeing. I was like, you know what? Let me go look.
Yeah.
I'll look around that time and I look at the market. soon as 4 o'clock hits, it just dropped like a big. You know how like in the beginning of the market where it does that, and also at the ending of the market it also does that too. Like it drops.
Let's see. Let's go yesterday. 1600. Oh, what did I just do?
Constantly going down.
What did I do?
I have to step out and make a quick call, but I'm gonna be right back. So don't leave me.
No one's leaving you. We'll be here. We'll be here.
Don't fail me or forsake me. I'll be like a tree planted by the rivers of the water to bring forth fruit in my season.
Go ahead.
All right. I'll be right back, please.
All right, guys. Niggas gonna do another dip?
Let's see. I was fixing my. I clicked a button on my trading view, so I was fixing my chart. That is
I think it's gonna go up.
that to me that's looking like a bear flag on the 5 minute. But I could be wrong. That's the best part about trading. Sometimes you're wrong. Let's see what this momentum does.
You just printed a bear flag. I mean, a bull flag, right? Or a bear?
Oh, that's a bear flag,
Okay.
but we have to have the follow through
So
for me to really be like, okay, yeah, that's a bear flag. You know what I'm
for me,
saying?
the follow through it has to go above that, right?
It has to keep going down.
Okay, keep going down, and then on the next candlestick, that's when you jump in.
Looking at this 5 minute right here, I want to come down past this wick.
Okay, and once it goes past that wick, then you okay.
I'll be more likely to, as long as the momentum's following through with it.
Following through. Okay.
Yep.
Momentum. Yeah, I remember you said that the momentum. That's key.
Yep. Because without the momentum, it could reverse.
Yeah, reverse.
Because right now we have the buying pressure from the bulls.
Right. Ooh, wanna go to the 500s? Will ya?
And that's why we weren't even jumping in on that short. But looking at my 2 minute, more of a bull flag over there. So, but I'm done trading for the day. I'm not taking any more trades for myself. Up over $1,500 for the day. Ending the week on green. And we're just going to keep it moving. Like I want to jump into another trade, but I don't all at the same time. Getting ready to tap that 21 EMA on the 2-minute chart. Just waiting to see how we react once we tap it.
You know, once it taps those, remember those whole numbers, you say it does something.
Yep, it gets sporadic. But right below the 500 level, we have a 21 EMA on the 2-minute chart.
Okay.
So that's what I'm currently looking at. Just waiting to see what happens on it, to be real.
Okay.
All right, tapping that 21. Just waiting. I gotta probably go buy me a TV for up here today. Go grab that 75-inch Samsung. And hopefully the people can come out and hang it. That'd be good. Let me go to one of my other evals because I don't like sitting out, but I don't want to trade my funded accounts. We got these wicks on these candles. Those buyers, man, they want to go back up. Just waiting to see if there's an opportunity to jump in here. Look how tight it is right here on these 1-minute candles, just across the board.
Yes, it's ridiculous.
Nice and tight right there. So just waiting for the move.
When you were seeing, like right now, do you feel we're going to spring back up and head towards that pivot point?
I gotta see the momentum, to be honest with you, Steve. Like, without the momentum right now, it's hard for me to guess which direction we're going in.
Well, we don't guess. We know.
No, we're guessing. We're taking educated guesses.
We're guessing. We're confessing.
Like, educated guesses here.
I'm not very educated right now, but I'm trying. So the new guy that came, he should watch all the video because he get him caught up on some stuff.
He watched the strategy video. He's currently not actually trading on the charts. So.
Gotcha.
We're consolidating right here. So just waiting to see what type of move we actually get.
I see your doodle is blown apart into pieces.
Yeah. The market knocked it out. Knocked it out. You know what I'm saying? Like, waiting to be able to jump back in the markets here. Just patiently waiting. Best thing about this is there's no rush. It's only 10:36. I've already put in the funded accounts over $1,500, and we're just chilling. Friday, going into the weekend green. There's nothing better that we can do than this. I'll tell you that. Right around this whole number. I want to see us keep pushing up here.
Yeah, it's gotta like it should at least like get like 12, like at least 10 to 12 points away, right? Because otherwise it's kind of like.
I did jump in. This is just an eval, so I'm not stressing evals. But I was waiting for one of that break above that 510 level. So I jumped in early. We're gonna keep chopping here.
Maybe the next candle in the 2 minute will kind of confirm and take it off.
Yeah, I'm waiting for it. Just push through that 21 EMA right there.
Yeah. I'm looking at that right now.
Right around that 500 level. Staying at it till we get some movement away from that whole number.
Oh, it's always hard for me when there's like the EMA is there, the whole number is there, or it's like the B. You know what I mean? You start getting like a lot of indicators or a lot of points.
Right back to that whole number right there. I want to see us give the 9. There we go. I want to push out either this 90 level versus keep going down because sellers are stepping in here.
Yeah, I see that. That's going back up right to that whole number almost.
Yep.
12 seconds on the candle. Come on, Bessie. Do you think she's gonna let loose?
I feel like we're gonna start coming down. Let's see if we build out a bear flag on this 5-minute chart. I did not get the fill I wanted on that one. Getting really tight right here.
How many contracts you doing right now, Blaine?
Oh, that's 8 contracts. 8 contracts.
I can imagine when it does a big dip, like, oh,
Fingers always on the trigger
oh
when I'm
no, I know. Trust me, you could do like something like quick. Yeah. What I saw yesterday, I was like, like literally, Dwayne, literally within like not even 10 minutes, $1,700.
Yeah.
I was like, what?
Well, let me see what I got left on this one.
Damn. Did you get out of that one, Dwayne?
Yeah, I did.
You should have waited a little. It went down more.
Yeah, I should have.
Yeah, but you can't lament if you made money. You know what I mean? Because otherwise, like, that's why he's still got a finger and a mouse.
Now I just dropped the contract size down too. I need less than $80 on this account.
That 2-minute candle's gonna close. What's it gonna do, baby?
That may have been it right there. Let's see. Perfect. 3,060 cents on the dot. So
wow, that's like
that's after the commissions and fees. You know what I'm saying? So
you don't get a dime extra.
President Trump has revoked secret protection. Oh damn, Kamala Harris. What's his beef with her? Here comes the drop.
cut that one. Wait for this momentum to build up again. Like that. The battle's real right now. Bear's trying to step in hard right here.
I see that.
The Bulls haven't given up yet.
No, it looks like they're not. They're fighting.
Yeah, just a big tug of war.
Keep going down, baby. What a day. Right, take that, 220. I don't know if it's gonna go down even more. I got scared.
Well, in this market, it's like it just seems like they're battling. So I'm kind of feeling more like a scalper today than trying to work the system because there's.
Well, for me, how I'm looking at it too, how I'm making it easier for me, I'm just looking at the EMA. I see it go it, so I know it's gonna go low.
I appreciate you, G man.
No problem, man.
I hope it's not a problem. I'd appreciate you.
No.
Damn.
My goodness. Oh, all right. Let's keep going down. No, 430s.
426 is a low. Is it gonna break through there? Oh, we might get a flag. That would be good.
Shit.
Get
We
some.
probably
Get
may
some.
get to the. We might get to the 420s. That's what it's looking like, right?
I was originally targeting that 411 level earlier.
It's going right back to that low.
That poor Duane got right out. Duane jumped right out.
Hey, so
Well-
G, what device are you watching the stream on? Do you have like a tablet or something next to your computer?
I'm on my Mac. My MacBook Pro.
Okay, so you just have the Zoom. If you don't mind me asking, like the
Yeah, I
Zoom
just have
window.
the Zoom. I just have the Zoom on this call, and on my other computer, I'm doing
Okay.
on that computer.
Yeah, because part of my problem is I'm watching this on a phone, so I can't really see the active monster. You know, like I catch it, but I'm setting up a tablet on the side so I can actually see more of.
You know what? I say get you like a little small laptop. That'll be better. It's quicker.
Yeah.
My preference. My preference.
Yeah. Cool. Thank you for that advice.
And then I have it connected to a monitor too. So
Oh yeah.
monitor as well. Instead of me looking at the my laptop.
Yeah, totally.
I'm constantly looking. I'm looking at the Zoom call and everything. So, oh boy, you jumped in another one up. Boy, Duane ain't playing. Boy, Duane ain't playing.
I'm never playing.
He's always slaying. You know what I'm saying?
Come on, let's do that. Try. Let me see. Going down.
Man, it's just dancing right on your line.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see that, right?
Yeah, it's like that. I hate that when that happens. It's like, come on, and so use your.
You going down? I need you to go down. We're gonna keep fighting it.
Yeah.
Station right here, and then right down.
Nice bullseye on a 2-minute.
Yeah. Waiting for this 5-minute chart. Want to see if the next candle is going to be red to give us a little bear flag right there.
Testing. Come on. Come on.
You know you want to do that drop. You know you want to do it. You know you want to do it.
You drop it like it's hot.
Drop it like it's hot.
Drop. drop. No, come on, waterfall.
Let's see what we
waterfall,
get.
please.
Give us a waterfall. Come on, baby. Give us a waterfall.
Give us that waterfall. Oh, come on. Let's keep going down. I'll take that, man. Trust me, I got out too. I'll take that 330. I'll take that. Oh, man. Now I was back in the 20s. That's where I was started, and then it shot right back up. I don't know. I think it may hit that 415 range after, like you said.
Yeah,
Right?
411.
411. I take that back. Sorry. You don't think so, Duane?
My bad. I was in another trade there. That's what I was targeting. I was targeting that 411 level.
$30 seconds on a 2-minute candle.
It is officially 11 o'clock.
Okay,
And
we can
I'm
see
going to
that
have to be
movement.
getting off. I got to go run to the bank. We got payroll today for one of my companies, so got to make sure everyone gets paid today. With that being said, I will see you guys bright and early Tuesday morning, ready to trade, excited to trade, to make some more money with you guys. I hope you guys have a good rest of your weekend.
Hey, man, I hope everybody has a nice long weekend and just enjoys everything.
Well, we're definitely going to enjoy the weekend in the green for the week, so we'll take that.
Yeah,
So we'll see you guys on Tuesday.
all right, sounds good.
All right, guys.
Later,
All right.
G.
All right, Steve. See you Tuesday.
Yep, Tuesday it is.